verify using the SureTest the condition of the wiring in a building, in a home, in a boat. But to use this SureTest, it's good that you refresh the magic number that you have in your book. When you use the amps method, the magic number is no more than 0.001 amps or 1 milliamps. When you use the ohms method, the magic number is no more than 1.2 ohms. Okay. With this tool, we can check the condition of the wiring. I want to show you one outlet pretty close to the main panel of this building, and we are going to check later other outlet here too far from the main panel with too much voltage drop to verify the voltage drop with this equipment. Okay, let's go and we check the outlet close to the panel. Look at this. I am going to connect the SureTest. The SureTest, they say that hot, neutral, and ground are properly wired in this outlet. You see, they are solid, hot, neutral, and ground. Okay, I am going to check voltage. 120 volts, 0.4 is good. I am going to check voltage drop. The voltage drop is 2.1%. What is the maximum voltage drop allowed? 10 for lightning and 3%. It's 2.1%. It's okay. It's a good voltage drop. We are going to check amps. Look at the leaks of amps.
Nothing.
0. 0 amps. And we are going to check resistance, impedance. Okay, 0.1 ohms. It's less than 1.2.
It's less than 10.
That's nice, no? In neutral, it's the same. 0.07 ohms. That's good. You like it? How to use? Okay, we are going to use in other outlet too far with an extension cord. Okay, look at the SureTest here. The SureTest said, no ground. Mickey Mouse extension cord. Yeah, number 1. We are going to check. Voltage is good. The voltage is okay. Voltage drop, 10.8%. You know, a lot of cable, a lot of wire pass from 1.2% or 2.1%, something like this.
2.1%.
Correct. Until 10.8.
Yeah.
That's a lot, no? And the amps, yeah.
Or 1.2.
Yeah. Increase, no? And what about the impedance? Oh, wow. 0.79
Still
ohms.
not above the threshold, but that's still a lot.
Yeah.
There's your amps.
That's nice, no?
Amps, they won't-
I love it, this ideal tool, this SureTest.
amps is
When you have a chance, try to buy one of those. This is the only way to verify
10 point something.
if the building is in good condition, if the boat is in good condition, if the pedestal. There are pedestal with outlets, small outlets in the bottom to connect dishwasher, to connect the vacuum machines. In that one, you can check the condition of the wiring in that pedestal. In some cases, I prepare one socket of the outlet of the short power cable, and in the end, I connect a regular outlet to connect the ideal and verify the condition in the main lines: hot, neutral, and ground, voltage drop, and impedance. Good, papas? When you have a chance, try to buy one of those. You recover the money easily. With one inspection, you recover the money. Believe me, it's a good investment. These two, the ideal, the SureTest. Okay, good.
Good.
That's it.